Kevin Lombard here with Lombard Equipment. Assisting me today is Duke. This is an amazing deal on a welder. The Car-O-Liner CTR 12,000. We've got right now about 20 welders. This is probably in the first one or two welders that have little use as this welder does. It's loaded. You got your single side welding, which is an option. So it does single side welding, plus does dent pulling, weld studs, nuts, and washers. Everything, as you'll see, is brand new in the box. Most of the stuff's still in plastic. It has 12,000 amps of welding power, three-phase welder. It has auto weld technology, liquid-cooled electrodes. Most of these welders come standard with 3 arms. This has 5 arms with it, including the C to X arm. You have a 20-foot weld cable lead with it. Again, excellent condition. Normally this welder would cost in the mid-30s. We had this welder for, are you ready for this? $9,495. If you don't have a spot welder and you want to buy a good top-of-the-line welder for short money, now's the time. The Car-O-Liner CTR 12,000. Call the 800 number.